All right, so here we are, another day, another trading day, and I'm here gonna just mark out the recent gaps that are in the market on the 1 minute, putting the regular trading hour opening range gap 50% range. See how the price reacts there. Last 3 days, the last third day, daily inversion, and grading out the daily bullish candle 3 days ago. As I'm watching the market here and I'm looking for signs for retracement, and that's why I marked out the 50%. You could get a notable sign of retracement, and knowing that price is going to go lower when you get a retracement exactly at 50% of the regular trading hour opening range gap. Here I'm looking at the 15 minutes, see what I see, looking at the ES, see if I see SMT divergence, just taking away some annotations on the 5 minute chart to the top right hand corner, you know, just kind of trying to see where the market's going to react to, how far it could go to, and knowing that it's the non-farm pay week, uh, you know, the reasonable of expectations is very low. Put my trade in at 2 micros, and I had a target at around 29,780 at first, but seeing that the market is in consolidation and nearly took me out of my trade as it's coming up, and I'm grading the previous wick of the candle, the top and bottom, where I see if bodies of the next candle following it closing above. Here I see that imbalance, I noted it, and I'm like, okay, it's reacting at that imbalance on the 1 minute chart, and also stayed above the imbalance right above it, the fair value gap above it. There we have the silver bullet. That's the blue highlighted highlighted area. That's the silver bullet. That's the first fair value gap that you see on after 10 a.m. So that'll be the silver bullet. That's your silver bullet. Now we all know what fair value gaps are, right? So if you don't know, then that's what a fair value gap is. It gets so close to my target, and over here it's just being finicky, and you know how market is. It loves to troll me. I changed the money sign money portion on where it says ticks. It would usually say money. I'd take one off right there, right? And I put the take profit a bit higher, right? I'm just going to use the sell limit order here. It gets real close to my sell limit, just retraces, and you see me annotating on top that after this I'm done for the week. Haven't took a trade since Monday. Took 2 losses. This was all recouped today in this trade alone, and only risked $137 uh, for today, and I made around close to 300. So all that was recouped today. I think I lost like 200. Today I made three, so it wasn't that bad. And it just gets so close to my target, it just does not want to get there, and that's where I was seeing it. Later on throughout the day, it did hit my target, but you know, I'm only willing to see so much amount of retracement. That new day opening gap, it gets to 50%, and then it comes to my target, comes to my stop loss, and takes me out. It gets real close there, and in the next candle, you'll see it take me out. Right after this bullish candle, I'll take my trade out, and that's it. Done for the day. Now, if you'd like to know how I take these trades and want to join my free Discord, I'll be doing a 3 month free trial starting in September. Mid September is where I'm aiming for, and I'll be posting free trades on that Discord, and until December, mid December, that's where I'm aiming for. So please give me a shout, send me a message on my TikTok, and I'll get back to you.